Shopify versus Wix, which is better for dropshipping? In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, Shopify versus Wix, which is better for dropshipping. Links to both platforms are provided in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Now, let's get straight into the comparison. First off, let's talk about Shopify. Shopify was designed with e-commerce in mind, making it the go-to platform for dropshippers. It offers a range of powerful features specifically built for selling online, including seamless integrations with popular dropshipping apps like Oberlo, Deesers, and Spocket. Shopify's user-friendly interface allows you to easily manage products, track orders, and analyze performance, all in one place. It's a fully hosted platform, so you don't have to worry about handling the technical side of things. Plus, its extensive library of themes and plugins means you can customize your store to fit your brand without any coding experience. For those serious about scaling their dropshipping business, Shopify's robust backend, excellent customer support, and wide range of e-commerce specific features make it the superior choice. On the other hand, Wix is primarily a website builder that's been adapted to include e-commerce functionalities. It's incredibly beginner-friendly, with a drag-and-drop editor that makes designing your store simple and intuitive. Wix also supports dropshipping through integrations with apps like Modalist and Printful, giving you access to a wide variety of products to sell. However, compared to Shopify, Wix is more limited in its e-commerce capabilities. While it's great for small-scale stores or those just getting started with dropshipping, it doesn't offer the same level of advanced features or scalability. Wix shines when it comes to design flexibility and ease of use, but it may not be the best choice if your primary focus is building a large, efficient dropshipping business. So, which platform is better for dropshipping? If you're just starting out, Wix might be a good option due to its ease of use and cost-effectiveness. It's ideal for small businesses or hobbyists looking to dip their toes into e-commerce. However, if you're planning to build and scale a serious dropshipping business, Shopify is hands down the better option. Its specialized features, app integrations, and e-commerce focused tools are designed to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. That's the breakdown of Shopify versus Wix for dropshipping. Be sure to click the links in the description to explore both platforms and see which one aligns with your business goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more dropshipping insights.